Alright, quality boys. So basically we're taking a new trail today there that my mum's been on. You know what he just said to me? I said, oh, we'll just take a couple of lefts on right. He said, yeah. I remember coming here with school. I'm 28 and he's like, how old are you?
31.
And he's 31, so you already know, yeah. My man did school about 17, 18 years ago, you know. It should be fun. Yes, the people, good morning. It's your boy Brandon back. Listen, I was meant to have a fun day of fucking airsoft in there for you today, so you know it is. I'll show you now. We're meant to leave at 6 o'clock this morning. Airsofting use purpose only. Remember that when you watch this. Airsofting purpose only. Airsofting purpose only. But listen, yeah, we were meant to leave at 6 o'clock this morning. We aren't. Boys couldn't organise a piss up, man. In a bar. So yeah, listen, the airsofting's off the cards this morning. We were meant to be in Sheffield at like 8 o'clock this morning, set off early, but we had to pick another couple of guys up, but it's not happening. So listen, call me Walker B from now on. Going on a walk, boys. Bought me send some equipment if you haven't got me on Facebook and Snap. Bought me send some equipment. My boy shouted me, yo, you want to go on a walk? I said, you know what it is? Let's go. So today's just going to be a walking day. I'm going to show you some scenery. I don't even know where I'm walking, but that's the best bit. Let's see how much we can fuck up on a walk today. I don't even know what I'm meant to take with me. I don't know how I'm meant to dress on a walk. Like, I've got some furry long johns and that on. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm meant to wear. I'm either going to be too cold or I'm going to be either too warm. But that's the whole part of the fuck up I suggest. So yeah, anyone who's watching, get on your boy. Hopefully we can make it. I think it's about a 4-hour walk, you know. I've never done so much walking in my life, but let's see how it goes, innit? If you're watching to this bit as well, like and subscribe for me, please. I have got some better adventures coming up. I do want to be out of the country, but we've got to make do for a fucking shitty UK for the time being. Come on. Eat the boys though. Proper Sunday. Is it Sunday today? Proper Sunday players. To double check them, my boy. You know how it is though. So yeah. Yo, this is the man. Look at him, proper prepared and that. Waterproofed out to death. But yeah, we're going walking. Where are we going walking?
E-Cup.
E-Cup?
Yeah.
We're going E-Cup if any of you know about E-Cup walk. I don't, but the man does. So that's where we're going today. So when we get there, how windy it is and that. Ooh. Through Emmerdale Farm we're going. Never know. But what's my man called? Zach? Called Pisshead Zach or something. We'll go meet him, gotcha. 2 Red Bulls that were capped off, yeah, you weren't stealing them, yeah. £10 for them. You know, you can tell we're in a posh area or something. And coupons and all that. See what I've got in here. Never too early for a pizza. You know, can you believe it? We're capped off that, you know. What's that? That we're capped off.
What do you mean?
It had a cap on top of it, bro, red cap.
Shut up.
Yeah, bro, you want
You must be getting scrammed.
I'm robbing that. Yeah. Remember, ready? We're ready. We're filling up and we're ready. Listen, we're filling up and we're going to be ready for a walk today. Come on. Oh, listen, rain's here. I brought waterproof pants, yeah. I was just thinking about the warmth on the coat. I just bought fur. Fuck! I'm gonna be soaked today. But listen, this is the start of our journey. A few cars here already waiting. The journey starts. You know what I realise, people? I've got all the idea. What is it? All the idea, but no idea. Something like
all
that.
The gear, no idea.
All the gear, no idea. That's what I've got. Fucking hell. Coming back. Dog already knows where he's going. As in living here, boys. Someone got lavish. What's that, bro? What's that?
What, and is that gangrene? No wonder we're getting poorly from water. No wonder we're getting poorly. Yeah, but what a drum, man. Nah, nasty. Sorry, right, you get a 24 on that. Yo, people, if you just look like here, yeah? Oh no, 1 minute, like here. Why are we not allowed to sing blah blah black sheep if there's a fucking black sheep there? He might find that's racist if we say white sheep. You know what I'm saying? Come on, we're not scared of mud and that. No, I'm only joking, I haven't been in fucking mud for a minute. Used to that fucking sun and that, but... I forgot to turn my watch on, but we are about 20 minutes into it, not a minute 13. Oh no, man, we're getting it, we're getting it. He's prepared, man, he's fully prepared and that. Yeah, it looks like we've met another, well, we haven't met him, because we're sat behind him, just stalking him.
Like birds are.
Called the bird, man. I think he's feeding birds. You know, very cool. Watch him out go. Yeah, look, he's talking to him and that, feeding him and that. Obviously, I'm not a bird whisperer, but he can definitely talk to a crow better than me. I went past him, yeah. Said he alright to him and that. Let me tell you, he was one of the most dodgiest fellas ever. Just had to put the camera down, mate. He was just like a fucking Russian, mate, talking to a crow or something that'll attack me on way past. Mad guy. He's speed walking away from him. You don't want him. Where is he, right back there?
End up with a chef in back.
Fucking, he was a madman, him, fucking hell. Yeah. I don't know if you can see, but just know I fucked up, mate. I fucked it. He's fucking pushing it down. It's skies as well. Ooh. Yeah, but listen, just thought I'd show you a little scenery this morning. Got chocolate there? Yeah, that's a bit sketchy. Oh, that's a bit sketchy. Bear! Bear! Bastards! If you can't tell, the weather out here is a fucking horrendous. I don't know if you can see, but wow. It's not even waterproof even, man. I went for fur over waterproof, what an idiot. Come on. Only took 33 minutes for rain to stop. But we're off that trail now. Off that trail, we're on a new trail. Listen, I wish I could give you more information on the route and the walk. I'll have to do it after. I'll have to find the destination and then put it in maybe if anyone wants to see it. But yeah, I'm just walking and following my guy. Oh no! Thought I just stood the horse shit. Yo, what are you saying, that kid? What are you saying? Come here then. Come here then. Come here then. Come on then. You want some? I'll give it you. Come here. You little bastards. Go! Go! Don't want it. Fuck. Can't even get attention of a sheep, mate. Go! Looking like you weren't looking at me, but yeah, listen, I don't know the route, but I know we're going near Emmerdale Farm. You obviously know what Emmerdale is, come on. Come on, bring the clear skies, the blue skies. Oh, he's took a back shot, you know. He's got blood everywhere. God damn, he's been getting fucked in the field. Alright, quality boys. So basically, we're taking a new trail today that my mum's been on. You know what he just said to me? I said, oh, we'll just take a couple of lefts on right. He said, yeah. I remember coming here with school. I'm 28 and he's like, how old are you?
31.
And he's 31, so you already know, yeah. My man did school about 17, 18 years ago, you know. It should be fun. Oh, listen. Why didn't I have it on camera? Just talking, mate. Just turned it off and that talking to a boy, yeah. Oh my god, tell me I've just fucking slipped on banking, fell straight over. Oh, that would have been a funny one to watch. But, where are we, Emmerdale? What are you saying? Could be a security rundown?
Yeah.
I live for this shit. Oh yeah, we're getting down to Emmerdale Farm. He's saying that basically, if we get so far in, security might try and get on us. And now I'm pulling video like, yo, I'm videoing you. You videoing me? I'm videoing you. Yes, people, we're only at Emmerdale. But listen, it says unauthorised access. Here, look, he just pointed out, yeah. You see there, yeah, I'll try zoom in for you. But apparently, yeah, that's where that homeless chavvy or something used to live. Get on. Security. Get on. We're ready to take run down. Fuck them. Yeah, but they just walk from down here. Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm not dickhead. We are walking down. Open. No, that doesn't say open. Overflow. Right, bro, it just says unauthorised to go that way.
What?
It only says unauthorised to go that way, doesn't it?
That's single farm, that.
No, when you watch it compared to film.
Look, can you see the front door? Where they're going, where them bushes are. Behind it.
Oh.
Come back here.
What, so just Dingle Farms there and then...
No, that Dingle Farm's behind here, look, come here. Where the washing machines are, you see the edge? Where the gap is, that's the door.
Oh, yo, so I've seen this in that that old man's, in the one's that little shop.
I think so.
Isn't it? Oh, so it's literally all close together, isn't it? Yeah. They're not filming, are they? They're getting a day out at Emmerdale.
Yeah, we're going to tours, I think.
I will try zoom it in, people, best I can, but... Is he coming? Is he coming? Oh, he could be coming. It's out. Well, it was about 85. There's one of the famous Emmerdale houses. Eric's Gaff, that's his name. Big up Eric. Big up Eric. Bro, look at that drum though, just sat chilling. You know what I mean? That's a 10 metre and a half out here. They must be doing a little tour. So what do you reckon? That's like the street that goes down through it?
Yeah, probably, because if you look there at Woolpack there, can you see the front sign on it?
Oh yeah. Woolpack over there. Sick though, sick. Don't tell me I ain't been nowhere near that film something on TV again. Come on. I've been somewhere near famous. Oh, this. I bet they defo paid to get on that bus. And we've just walked it like soldiers. We can't walk any further. We can if we're daredevils. Come, bro, we could just walk down there, yeah? We're late for session.
Keep forgetting.
Now, is this our journey? Do we walk past this?
Yeah, well, look, obviously we should stop here, but we'll carry on going through a bit, innit?
What do you mean by stop? We stop and go back?
Yeah, because I think this takes you down towards Herd Farm.
Herd Farm?
Yeah. But there's the hop there then.
What, the little hop?
Yeah.
You know. So yeah, people, that's Emmerdale Farm. Obviously we couldn't get too close to it. I was just joking. We could have took a security run down, but my feet are not stable enough to even run. Mate, I already fell over once. You don't. Oh, is that all it says? I'm not going to show you it because it just says wildlife in it. He's basically saying there's some stag deers down here or something. You know them deers with big horns. I thought I seen one of them but with a dog. Oh, sweet. See these.
You know what though, you know when I'm looking? I can still go down there. Have a good view.
I think it's going to be a longer.
I don't know.
He's scared of falling, isn't he? He's going to do what I did. Fall on his ass. Come on now, people. Serious apart though. No, all jokes aside, I meant to say. Get to the serious part. So, walk is decent, can't lie. Sweating though. I think I packed wrong, but I'd rather be warm than cold, innit? Come on. Sceneries and that. I told you I had sceneries. Look how beautiful that tree is. You haven't seen a tree like that in your life, mate. I was starting though, man. Catching some sceneries with my boy, like I told you. Little romantic walk and that. You didn't know I was taking him on one. Yeah, it's just me. I just came up here for a big old walk. Look at that beast though. Hello. I'm guessing that one there is either that's either a woman. That looks a bit too small to be dealing with him, and he's a big fella. He's a big fella. Hello. Wow, look at the size of its arm. There's a big fella in. I'm daft, but I'm not going near that. See, you are going there, you got no antelopes on your head. You got a little one. Hello, dude. Hello. Hello. Said, get me away from him. yo, these little ones have got. Come here then. Come on then. Hey, listen. I had a mad character. Come on then, I want you to run like you just did. Come here then. Come here then. Ah, it's not going to do it now. Swear down, yeah. Swear down, it just did a mad little run. Harewood Yard. Come on. Reception and shop. Look at that. 1 hour, 15 minutes, 27. 3 mile. We've done a little bit more than that though, but I'm knackered, boy. Get it on, look up buggy. Alright, someone told me to get some practice walking here before I even thought about going and camping and walking a mountain and that, and you know what it is? You was right. I need to get some practicing on this shit, but listen, someone just asked me if I want to do Snowdon. Might have to do it. I said I wanted to do it. Look at that buggy, mate. Just chilling there like that. No, for a fact, mate, if that were close to home, someone would have had that. But yeah, Harewood. We should have turned around, I'm not going to lie, and gone back, but we're trying to see some deers with the antelopes on. It's meant to be big, so if we're going to come see something, I'll see something. Fuck it. Alright, listen people, I'm not even joking, and I'm actually surprised because I've never seen so many fucking reindeers, deers, Santa Claus's little helpers, all that. Let me just stop. Have you seen that pile right there? Have you seen that? I cannot even count how many's there. I'm going to zoom in for you, don't worry, but I'm going to get closer. I just want to get it, yeah? I just want to get these on a little bit of film, yeah, because if they hear me, they might run off. Might be thinking I'm here for toys early. Look how many are there, people. That is bare. And they're all down there as well. I don't know if you can see them. I'll try zoom in best I can, like I said. They even go all the way back and that, Jin. They're laid down and that. Do you think this is a field just for them?
Probably so.
Because they can jump this fence, surely.
These are probably our next door.
You fucking seen how they set off with fucking Santa's fucking elf thing, mate? The depot's clearing that fence. I've seen it on films. Yeah, that is sick though, you know, peeps, can't even lie. All the way walking down here, we've been saying, yeah, we hope we see some. We're going to walk a bit further just so we see some. Come on, we've seen them. Look how many are there, people. That is bare. And they're all down there. Even all the way back and that, Jin. They're laid down and that. Do you think this is a field just for them?
Probably so.
Alright, we said we're being rebels. He said no authorisation up there, but we've just seen a guy getting the best picture of these, mate, so. We really like fence ends. But they're not enclosed at all. Let's see if we can find her. Let's see if we can find a little one or two to get a better capture of. Can't make a little bend by the looks of it. Little foot. See him there. You down. Sick like that. Yeah, look at that group there, yeah. Look what colour of them. And then look at the colour of that group over there, if you can see it, just over there. Why are they both in two separate coloured groups? There's some racism going on. He said to me, yeah, oh, do it. It'll get you some content. There. I'm gonna sign him up. I'm gonna sign him up to it, mate, and say, yo, you told me it'd get me some content. Fucking hell. We were gonna scramble up that hill, but I ain't even climbed the mountain, I'm fucked. Yo! Good job I got a little practicing first. Can you see how ready I am on that? The sweat's coming now. But I've got furry long johns as well, I don't think that's helping me. Man, boy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will climb the hill, you fat cunt. You will climb the hill, the fat cunt. You will climb the hill. They don't even look that big, mate, but it's cool. I'm pagged anyway. But yeah, man, what a walk. What a scenery. Best thing I can say today, I've seen bare reindeers. Bare reindeers, mate. It's not filming back there. But as soon as you turn camera, it just switches on us.
Ah, yeah.
You get me?
So it's filming both ways as soon as you turn it. So like, that way it's filming that way, and then as soon as you spin that stick.
Yeah, it's filming us, you get me? Yeah, you get me? It's like it just switches in it, but you can turn that front bit off.
Yeah.
Come on. His son, yeah, got 100 likes, so he's got the camera to do some vlogging. He pissed it real quick if you haven't seen. But any of you who liked it, you helped his boy get a camera. Well, I had to go break the bank. You know, I had to break the bank, but just giving little ins and outs on camera. Even I'm still getting new to it though. So, you know what I mean? Finding new things. Finally have to set things up. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see through there, yeah, but them hop-up huts in Emmerdale. Through there. Little hut in there. Yo! Done 5 mile. Think any? If it's in kilometres, that's about 3 mile and odd, if I remember rightly. I put a video out yesterday like I was a fucking walker and if I'd have just gone straight to a mountain, mate, I'd have been pagged sleeping first hour. Film bits and bats on way back. Film when I get back to the car and that, but yeah, what a day, man. 2 hours. I'd probably say I'm about 2.5 hours because I didn't thing it first bit. Probably about a 3.5 hour, 4 hour walk. Bang on. But yeah, man, good Sunday walk. Like I say, I meant to be at Airsoft laying it down, but a lot better than I get a walk in with my boy, man. Come on, sceneries and that. Even though it's been raining and that. It's been a route. It has. It's been a route. I'll try even get the route, and if I can, I'll put it up. But we'll see if I can do that. Still getting used to the editing. Yeah, we just came off the trail there. We usually go back up that way. We're going this way. And obviously it started raining again, up the boy and that. Fucking soaked. What a walk though, mate, what a walk. Two and a half hour deep. Oof. Need a smoke. See that waterfall over there? I'll try zoom in for you people. See a little waterfall. See that bird? What are they called? Buzzard. That bird right there, we're called a buzzard. I'm going to give you some nature talk. Called the buzzard, a bird of prey. I was filming it though because it did look like it was just asleep, rocking backwards and forwards like this. Imagine that being you can. Fucking hell, Jin. It's a big old chat that. Oh, so what did you say this does? Filter water?
No, this is our tap water.
This is our tap water?
Yeah.
Saying this is our tap water? Nah, I can imagine you're not lying. But it's a bit mad to me that.
You see it all down here.
This is why I don't drink tap water though. This is why I don't drink tap water, because stay away from that, yeah. He just told me back there that this filter was a filter, yeah. It was fucking green as fuck. Bare water's going through that. I said to him, yeah, I wanted to jump in somewhere like that cold, and he said, bro, you can't jump in here, mate. You can't jump in here. Don't be making it back. But the way that it's moving, you can't even see it, but you should see how it's moving there. Someone's been on Smart Whips, get on! Someone's been having a balloon! So what, it just flows out of there? It's all pretty mad, so he's saying it sucks it in, goes through there, up through there, straight into your tap. Alright boys, a little bit of knowledge here for you. So apparently, yeah, remember when they told us we needed to turn our tap, well, save tap water and cut reservoir down. So what I'm finding out is that used to be somewhere up here, but even still that's bad, don't it, mate? I want to be cleaning that, mate. I want to be cleaning that before it goes in my tap. But yeah, so look how far it's down. Look how far it's down. I'd say that's pretty down, Fucking, yeah, what's that guy called? He just talks about things. Adam Adams or something. Not a clue. Don't know who I'm on about, but pretty mad. He's saying that we're going to run out of water soon. Pretty mad. Hopefully not. Here, get on, dog. Here, get him with his suit, that. Get on. Get on. Where I am, mate. Yeah, mate. You want to stick a brew on for us, our kid? Could do with one. Yeah, listen, one thing I did buy a time ago, yeah, which was coming handy. Nice. Listen, I don't know if you can see that, yeah, but what is that? It looks mad, I swear down. And that's in our water and shit. Like, I don't see anything else anywhere else up there. But that right there just looks mad weird. Looks like a fucking octopus or bear animals dead together. Crazy, crazy. Listen, I don't know if you can see that, yeah, but what is that? It looks mad, I swear. Yo, end of the trail. End of the trail. I wasn't going to video it all, it was a fucking ringer. But listen. So, that's the resivoure or not? Yeah. That's apparently a filter. Look how green it is. The motherfucking need changing. It changed that ASAP. No, it just said to me, see them walking down there, I don't know if you can see them. He just said to me, oh, they've got to mooch them, you know. Like we hadn't just fucking done it. Now the worst part about the walking, I won't lie, on the way back, mate, everything was hill. Ooh. You know, Emily, lean forward with your body. Fall forward instead of backwards. That's this kind of hill. Hey, look at that digger over there. See it?
What's that?
See that digger?
Oh yeah.
Not they won't better see it, but yep. How far away? We're 3 hours, 13 minutes, 7.87 mile, yeah, but like I say, I turned mine off a bit, my watch on a bit late, so we're definitely over 8 mile and that. Oh my god, the finish line. I'm just talking to him like we had some more journey and that. Seen a road. Yes. Get on. Imagine having a little house like that though, you got a balcony and that, mate.
Little, it's massive.
Oh, you're not. I used to have a balcony. On my flat on Kentmere.
Yeah. Chilling there.
Obviously, people used to thought I was living when you went over back and that see me. But yeah, we're here, man. Fucking done. Listen, bare I was walking. 8.9 mile I'm at.
Yeah, so you turned it off on late.
I won't lie, I'd say we've done about 9 mile. Maybe therefore, 10. No, maybe 10, maybe 10. Yes, the fucking people. We are done. Oh my god. Get me stripped off. We're in a posh area, man. I might have us fucking nicked. Oh, bro, how am I meant to get them changed now?
Yeah, these people got fucking change, man. Look at the mud. Put the ladies down, real quick. Make sure these people are noticed. Oh shit. Whoa, whoa. Oh, I'm fucked up, you know. Why?
Because I think I left my crotch right to the side. Yo, out of everywhere, yeah.
What are you putting them in the box?
Bro, how are my knees sweating?
Oh, you left the box in the shoe box?
Them bad boys. Fucking fur. Oh, have you got them, yeah? You're on my junk. Little naughties on that. Fur. Oh, fucking full of moon here, mate, if anyone looks out of there, Jin. Oh, my trousers soaked, no wonder my knee and that, ow. Yes, the people. What a journey, what a journey. I want to show you a little walking journey, innit, for why not? I want to be everywhere, I want to do everything. I want to be in the trees, in the bushes, I want to be on the plains. I want to be everywhere, the people, come on. Yes, the people. Get on, bubble bath, you know that. Size of my forehead, man. Land a plane on that, you know. It's like a fucking runway. But listen, thank you everyone watching. Little bits here, there. 10-mile walk. Killer. But listen, floated it. But everyone who's liked and subscribed, thank you. If you aren't subscribed, click subscribe. If you aren't subscribed, your family aren't subscribed, listen, shout out your mum, shout out your dad, tell them to subscribe for me. Get on.